What's up, everyone? So today, starting off the video by going to a skate park, which is sick because if you guys don't know, I used to ride BMX basically religiously forever, and in the last couple of years kind of fallen off, and then I got in a car accident 2 years ago, broke my wrist, and I haven't really ridden since. So today's a big day for me. I'm really excited. There's a new indoor skate park in Connecticut, and one of my good friends really wanted to ride it, so I decided to tag along, and it's a big day for me. So I'm nervous, I'm excited, and I know it's gonna hurt my body, but whatever. Used to want a hatchback so bad, literally just so I could do that. And of course I get one after I stop riding BMX. That's how life goes, you know? Boy, what are you trailering?
It's tight.
Is this it right here?
I think so.
This doesn't look like it. Ah, good sign.
We found it. I like their sign.
Let's see. There it is. Hive skate park. We gotta keep driving.
Until you find the stickered up door.
Yeah, this makes way more sense. Random ass storage unit. I'm cool with it.
Hey, this is sweet.
All right, guys. So we're here early, and we're here what 1:30 on a Monday. So of course no one's here. Everyone's actually got a job, but this is sick. So this park's been open for 22 days, I guess, which is huge because if you guys know Connecticut, we don't really have any indoor skate parks. At least we have it in years. So this is kind of a big deal. I said I haven't biked in a long time. So let's see what we got. We're gonna warm up some bit and do some film, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. So we're quickly figuring out that I am indeed washed up, and these old ass tires are the most slippery thing on the face of this earth, and it's absolutely terrifying. But so you're probably gonna see me bust ass, but it's okay. How you feeling?
Pretty good, actually. Not bad.
Let's get some clipperoonies.
Let's do it.
Hang fives?
We can do hang fives.
Let's
you
see.
want to get some foot jump stuff?
We can bang on a quick foot jump.
Let's do it.
Oh fuck. I'll figure it out.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, buckets. I see a wedge. I'm feeling a wall ride. Slippery tire wall ride. Let's see what happens. Hey Garrett, I'm aiming for right here.
You got it.
That's the first good warm up. I get it?
Oh yeah.
Try it, boys. Right there. Okay, let's see a bar real quick. Oh, you bitch! Yes! Goofy bar spins.
Oh yeah.
Chilling, we've been chilling, but I think it's time for some flat ledge.
Oh yeah. Let's get tech.
Okay, let's get techie. This thing is gonna kick my ass.
I don't know if you guys missed it before, but Jimmy wiped out pretty good right here.
I tried this. This is my back tire. I went there. I wish I filmed it.
You see, you're trying to drift, but you're bringing the drifting to the skate park.
Lock City, boys.
Hit the eject button.
I was expecting it to be a lot slippery. Oh, that was so sticky. Pivot boys out here, you know. They're a little cheater pivot, but it's okay.
It's all right. You're getting back in.
All right, it's been a pretty fun time. It's been what, probably an hour and a half, 2 hours?
Yeah.
And my arms are stinging. I should have assumed it's happening. So we're gonna bang out like, I'd say three or four more clips.
Yeah, well, you got it.
And then just gonna go home.
Right back on it.
We're gonna upgrade to some handle action. What do we got here, Dale?
Now I'm about to hook you up, dude. I'm about to put your mic right here. You can grip it like this, dude.
Oh, okay.
Get that low angle going, you know?
Audio might be see, this is like cameraman audio right here. You can commentate real well now.
Oh yeah. Ready?
Yeah, we got this.
Oh yeah.
Good salmon. Oh, that was so bad. That was bad. Oh. I tried though. I got it.
Oh yeah.
Oh my goodness. That's working out way better than I thought. That's tough. All right, I can feel my back wheel like tockling. I think we're gonna call it. I'm happy with that. We're good? Good. Okay, I'm cool with that. It counts, right? Yeah. All right, I want to see Garrett wrap this one like a pretzel. Yeah. Ooh, that was a close one.
Gotta go higher.
Yeah, I need it.
Ooh, he crazy. Yes. Nice job.
Thanks, dog.
All right, my arms feel like they're literally gonna fall off, but Garrett's got a good one. I want to see him land it.
You got it?
Okay.
What are you doing down there?
Dude, this is me and my natural habitat.
Wipe out on this greasy ass.
Dude, I am way too tired to be trying what I'm trying. Living the dream. So sketchy, but it counts. I didn't think I had that bar spin.
Nailed it.
So sketchy. Hell yeah. Perfect drink.
2 for $1.
2 for $1. I love these things. I gotta fill the garage up with these. Steph, if you're watching, get me some of these. Alright guys, it's been about 6 hours almost. I think it's been 6 hours, which is 5 more hours than I thought I would last. And my ass is officially kicked. I've been playing game of bike for like the last hour and a half, and I ate shit like crazy, but it's been cool. Back on the bike for the first time in a really long time, and it feels good. My body is going to hurt tomorrow, so girl, get some dinner, go back to the shop, and it's kind of late, but see if we can get some stuff done, because why the heck not? Have fun?
Oh yeah, good times.
Good times. So if you guys are in CT, Northeast, New London skate park, it's called Hive. Just opened up 20 days ago, which is pretty sick. I got no lights out here, I can't see shit. Oh, we got one. Garrett, where'd you go? Garrett.
Hold on, we got lights.
Oh, look at the beamer. Oh my God. Are you kidding me?
We got lights.
That is amazing. Lock City Night Stage coming at you live.
Yep.
Let's get some motherfucking food, boy.
We hungry.
We hungry. We earned it. I'm stoked. Oh shit. You in the lights, dog.
All day.
So today was pretty sick. I hope you guys did enjoy some of the footage we got at the park. I know, I mean, it's not a BMX channel, it's a car channel, but still, it's different, and I don't know. But it's a lot later than I thought it was gonna be. It's probably about 9 when we get to the shop. But Steph is able to come down to the shop tonight, and I want her to see the things we did to Miata yesterday. I'm excited, so let's get down there. Oh shit. Come here, Tootie boy. Oh, hey, bear. Greatest thing to come back to. You're so perfect, you know that? Yeah, you know it.
It's so much nicer to you. Before he was like being such a little brat to me.
Oh.
Okay. Look. No?
No, you already know because you watched it, but I kind of worked on your car when you weren't here.
I know.
But I think you're gonna like it. You haven't seen the interior, like fully together and everything. And now
I haven't gotten it yet.
It's fully. Hold on, let me pull it out. No, don't get it full of tuck hair already.
It's gonna get used. Oh, it's so cute.
Let me shut the doors. Beeping
Are
at
you
us.
sure you can't come?
Tucky, do you want to come for a ride? Come on. So the whole shifter in this car is like, it's like kind of it's like pretty far to the left for some reason, but I mean maybe in the right hand drive car it's far to the right, we don't notice.
Yeah, I don't know.
But look
What do you think?
it's pretty far over. You're aggressive. And then try reverse.
Oh, that's so weird.
How cool is that though? 6-speed?
It's so weird. It's gonna be so cool. Oh, but this looks so good too.
How cool is that?
It's like a little window.
It's got fogged up, but
No, that's so cool.
see how sick is
Oh,
that?
that's so cool.
Nice, right?
How do you get it in there? How do you get it to fit like that?
You gotta watch the video. CD in here? There's a Nelly CD in here.
Yeah, there was. Is it still in there?
There it is. This is, yep, Nelly. Adam LZ must have left it in here because we all know he loves Nelly.
Why is he? He likes some weird ass music.
So awesome. You'll get used to this real quick though. It's easy.
No, I'm gonna be so excited. I told everyone at work today, and they were talking about how the left hand is gonna be weird. It's like, no, it's gonna be fantastic. So freaking weird. I feel like when
You're making
you're
this
like,
look really difficult. Best thing about this car so far, not one, but 2 cup holders.
Adam would be pumped. No, but look, no smoking symbol too. Heck yeah.
Ain't no ashtray.
Heck no. Only for cups and coffee. No spilling coffee in here.
Coffee in cups.
Coffee and cups.
All right, so Steffi's tired, so we're gonna go home soon. But it's okay. You worked all day, but I want to get you guys caught up for this week. So the Miata, as it has been quite a drag getting all the parts. It's been kind of a pain in the ass, but I feel like it's been forever. I guess like
it's January 28th.
2 weeks in like
Miata.
YouTube world feels like a lifetime. But this week, hopefully tomorrow, we're getting a lot of the parts in. So tomorrow we ordered a bunch of stuff, but we realized we ordered it from like China, which means that like it's gonna take like a month to get here. So we just made the call and we just ordered everything on Amazon Prime because it's all stupid little stuff like fittings, hoses, and everything.
I think it added up to like $30.
It's stupid stuff. I hate waiting on it. So it should be here tomorrow. And Amazon Prime usually never lets us.
On Thursday.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, I really hope it comes in tomorrow, and we should be able to get all the fuel system done, which is good. And then I have to finish the oil return on the turbo. And technically, if everything else is good, we should be able to start it, maybe. Unless I'm forgetting something else stupid. We can't run it because the coolant system's not finished yet. I've been waiting on the heater hose lines forever. I don't know. They can show up whenever they want. I didn't order those from China, but I don't know where the hell they are. Honestly, they probably ordered them like 5 days ago, but it feels like a year.
Say, I don't think it's been that long.
It feels like a year. So we might be able to start the car, which is huge because we've never heard this car run. We got this car and it was basically a rolling shell in a box, yeah. So
in a really bad box.
So this is big. And then of course, guys, as you know, with the 1J stuff, I've been waiting on one package to come in for like half the stuff I need to finish most of it. And no, literally, it's crazy. I ordered a bunch from this one company, and they were holding my whole entire package for the last week and a half because of one $20 part. And I ordered like probably $800 worth of stuff.
That's not very nice.
So stupid. So I'm really excited for this car. I know you are too. I'm really excited to see how the small turbo VVTi motor compares to all RJ's.
It's gonna be so big.
It's a small turbo.
I know.
But I'm excited to see how it compares to RJ's bigger turbo 1.6. Obviously not VVTi. I'm just really excited to tune the car. So I think it's gonna be great. I think that's it. You have anything to say to the people, Stephanie? She has nothing to say, guys. So we're gonna end it there because I'm tired. My ass is beat. I am so excited. That was sick.
You're gonna be so sore in like 2 days.
I'm gonna be miserable tomorrow, but
So
okay, let's go home and watch Netflix. Yeah, I think so. So you guys know the deal.
Like,
comment,
subscribe,
stay tuned for more content,
and have a great day tomorrow.
Cue the Tucker scene.
I'm cold-hearted and broke, I cold-started and choke. I grow part with my soul, the vote harder to grow. I know what, hey, I know what, hey, yeah. I'm cold-hearted and broke, I cold-started and choke. I grow part with my soul.